You need to display a live website or a web application in Power BI. In this tutorial, we will show you the process of embedding a website in Power BI step by step, like this example here. Before we start, it's important to note that user must use the HTML VizCreator Flex, because certified visuals can't access the internet. Additionally, it's worth keeping in mind that the display of certain elements of embedded website may be affected by its complexity and may not appear correctly in some cases. So let's start here. We will create a new measure. Let's change the name here. And now we need to create the iframe tag. So the iframe tag is used to embed a web page, document, or other content from another sources into a web page. It stands for inline iframe. When you use iframe, you can display content from another website or web application directly within our web page. So now here we need to use the source we need. In our case, in this example, I will use our website. So now I call the source I need. After this, I need to add a style. In the style, I will just add the width and height. Let's keep it empty. So in HTML, you can use inline style to set the width and height of an element. The width properties set the width of an element, and the height property set the height of an element. The main difference between them, setting the width and height of an element in pixel versus percentages, is that pixel values are fixed, where percentage values are relative to the size of the elements containing block. So in the width, I will use 100 percentages. And here in the height, I will use 100 VH. So what is VH? VH is viewport height. The VH represents a percentage of the height of the viewport's initial containing block. Like example here, 100 VH is 100% of the viewport height. So now I will enter to see the results. As you can see here, our source in our visual, and it take a 100% of width and 100 VH here. Now you have a solid understanding of how to embed a website in Power BI and how to use it in your reports and dashboards. Thank you for watching.